afternoon, everybody. It is middle of February and it's almost 50 degrees and it's awesome. Let's go for a ride. Nice. Alright, we got a railroad crossing here. So 200 feet away or so, hazards on. Open the side window. Stay to the right. Stop within 15 to 50. This stop line is in a perfect place. Pop the brake, open the door, put it neutral, look left, look right, look left, look right. Go into first gear, brake off, check again. Roll roll across. Still in first gear. I'm going to turn off my 4 ways, right turn signal. Back up into drive. It's that simple. And I think all that transmission stuff is a waste of time. That's an artifact from back in the day when all the buses were manual shift, because you don't want to be changing gears going across the track. But I really don't think it should apply to an automatic. Actually, earlier this year, I had a driver going from down into first gear, crossing the track, and the shift handle came apart and came off in her hand. Should have pulled over and stopped in the garage. Had to come rescue her because the bus was stuck in first gear. The handle literally came off in her hand. Huh. Oh, it's our turn.